Now, Jeevan Vidya, pioneered by Sri Nagarajji, I have met him a number of times. I understand Jeevan Vidya is a teachable human value-based skill that can address inherent conflicts within the mind of the individual, within the families, in organization, in public life. Inner conflict is the very essence of violence. Jeevan Vidya develops tolerance for ambiguity and uncertainty in human contact, I understand from Nagarajji, by enabling self-knowledge that understand harmony in the self and in the entire existence. The experts could bring about the marked change even among the inmates of jails through the use of these techniques. It has been found by imparting Jeevan Vidya skills, it will be possible to reduce the overall period of secondary education from 25,000 hours now, less than 20,000 hours, since the children become more responsible and productivity conscious. These experiments can be outreached to influence many people by developing networks using ICT through our educational system that needs to pay increasing attention to this aspect of human development. The process of imparting self-knowledge would promote a learning atmosphere where this whole movement of inquiry into knowledge, into oneself, into the possibility of something beyond knowledge would bring about naturally a psychological revolution. From this comes inevitably a totally different order in human relationship and therefore society as a whole. The intelligent understanding of this process itself can bring about a profound change in the consciousness of mankind. When I was studying the Jeevan Vidya program, certain events come to my mind which reveals the practical philosophy of life. We have to find how we can provide all these elements to all the citizens of the nation on an equitable basis for happiness for all. Friends, the experience which I have described above give us insight that human beings can attain lasting peace and happiness only when they rise above their selves and work towards serving others without external temptation. Probably, Jeevan Vidya can lay the foundation of education at the young age for evolving a conflict-free, happy life resulting in an attitude of giving and giving. In conclusion, friends, righteousness is the beginning. What we need is a contact of an eternal goodness, a wholesomeness in human conduct, which is righteousness as set in the divine hymn I heard somewhere. It was recited. How do we evolve righteousness in the hearts of every citizen of the world? Jeevan Vidya program is one of the unique experiences which can lead to righteousness in every heart, leading to the evolution of a enlightened society. With these words, I have already inaugurated, but again I inaugurate the National Convention on Human Values in Education through Jeevan Vidya, and my best wishes to all the participants in their mission of evolving an educational system which will help in the evolution of an enlightened society. May God bless you all.